And I'm Adam, and today we have the honor of introducing you to
WarCraft Arclight Rumble!
So what is this game? What is this game? This is a mobile strategy, fast-paced hero collector
and villain collector
game that has a vast PvE campaign. It also has dungeons and raids and PvP and co-op and everything you'd expect of a WarCraft game from Blizzard. We love games. We were super inspired by tower defense games. Our game isn't really tower defense. It's more our style to do a tower offense game.
It's joyful chaos. And we're aiming to bring our Blizzard best to mobile games that inspire us. Chaos reigns.
All the chaos.
Can't use chaos twice. In basements of taverns all across Azeroth, a mysterious machine has been found. Is it new? Has it always been there? Powered by gnomish engineering and Arclight. This machine has been generating famous and infamous battlegrounds for your entertainment.
So when the battle begins, you'll come to the battlefield with your army, ready to go assault a boss. There's a base for you to defend. If the base dies, your run is over. Also, there's meeting stones on the map. If we control the meeting stone, we can play things closer to the boss. If the enemy controls the meeting stone, they're going to come at us a little bit closer as well. There's also towers on the map for you to go capture that lets you have a forward position so you can assault the boss directly.
There's also shinies that you can get. There's gold nodes and treasure chests to plunder. You gotta get the shiny.
Give me the shiny.
Shiny! The more gold that you can get, the more chaos you can rain upon the field.
One of my favorite things about this game is that every mini has their own personality and every single one of them thinks they're the coolest.
And they're all wrong, except for Blackrock Pyromancer. In WarCraft Arclight Rumble, we have 5 families. The Alliance!
The Noble Alliance with a lot of defensive units and spells. There's also the Horde. The proud horde that will overpower your enemies.
Heed my call!
But there's also Blackrock to sear a hole in your enemy's defenses.
Let's throw down!
There's of course the Undead.
Who can bring a skeleton of troops to the battlefield. And beasts. We also have a literal stampede from the plains and jungles of Azeroth.
With all of the chaos going on with the troops, we need somebody to lead this rabble. Leaders are a way to cater your strategy and build a specific play style that suits you. If you want to play siege units, go for Sneed.
Cut him down!
Sneed has a trait called Sneed's Greed that makes all of your siege units grab extra gold.
My personal favorite is Rend, with his ability Blacken the Sky. It makes all of your flying units 1 gold cheaper, so you can fill the air with chaos.
Chaos.
There are tons of strategies that you can assemble with this. There are over 60 minis for you to play with. But you don't need to have an understanding of Warcraft to be able to embrace the chaos. A sense of exploration and wonder should come across regardless.
Speaking of wonder, let's go play a game. We're gonna do it live. I mean, it'll be edited later, but that's okay. Welcome to Jinroke's Swole Troll Isle.
A taste of strength!
This is a fun map because I did the design for it and Justine did the art. We have our animators and our character artists to make all this happen. There's so many people that go into making this a reality.
The goal of the Swole Troll Patrol is to punch your base in the face.
Smash that start button, let's go. Okay. Here comes a troll, he's coming down our lane, and the first thing we're gonna do is have some harpies go say hello. There's a kobold that's already trying to steal gold over there. We're gonna let him go for that though. There's a bat rider coming, and we have a huntress. Let's play a huntress to help this out a little bit. And here comes another swole troll. Let's send out some chickens to meet that swole troll. But those trolls are definitely relentless. I'm actually gonna lose.
No!
We don't make these maps to be easy.
I thought you said you couldn't lose. You designed this map.
Smash that start button, let's go. All right, here comes this swole troll, and we need some harpies to go take care of that swole troll. There's some chickens coming. I don't care about those chickens, but that kobold, I do. That kobold definitely needs to get out of here. Need some more gold though. Let's go mine this area right here so that we can fuel our harpy addiction. All right, good. Have those chickens come in and peck that swole troll just like it's a snack. Oh my gosh, look at all of these units coming in here. But 1 chain lightning is all we need. Hopefully that kobold sneaks by. Aww. There you go.
Woo!
Overtime.
Oh, we're in overtime.
Overtime.
All right.
Down to the wire.
Harpies, come on. Time's running out.
Too close.
All right, all right, all right. Let's do a wombo combo.
Brilliant.
I shoot up! Stretched!
That's just one of the 70 plus maps that we have for you to play all over Azeroth.
One of my favorite maps is going back to Stranglethorn, deep in the jungle, is Gurabashi Arena. King Mukla is there with his banunchucks and banandalier.
There's a couple of apes in Ungaro that have some banana armaments. We've got the Benini gun by Ukluk. Ungaro also has Devil Sword Queen, the tyrant of the area, and she comes stomping down and you just have to take her down before she bites your base.
Tasty base. There's always going to be unique challenges depending on each map. When it comes to maps that require you to be able to take charge of the high ground or combat massive cannon bombardment from a ship, there's so many ways that you can customize your minis using talents. Their abilities can be augmented in all different sorts of directions.
Maiev has a really awesome talent called Cloak of Shadows. Wherever you play her on the map, she will cast Smoke Bomb and stealth everything around her so you can make a mobile assault squad anywhere on the map. WarCraft
WarCraft
Arclight
Arclight
Rumble! This game has so many ways to play, varied content every single day, every single week. You get to play a new dungeon every week.
We didn't talk about dungeons!
We didn't talk about dungeons. You can play dungeon solo, or if you want to play co-op, you can as well.
We didn't talk about
We
co-op!
forgot to talk about co-op. Co-op, you can join a guild, you can play with your friends.
You can join a guild and you can fight your friends!
Fight. You can go play raids with them. There's so many things to do in this game.
We didn't talk about raids!
You're just gonna have to stay tuned for more information, aren't you?
Closed beta is coming to limited regions soon, so keep an eye on social media for more information. On behalf of the team, we are so excited for you guys to get your hands on this, and we really look forward to your feedback and input.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Enjoy the joy.
Enjoy the chaos. The chaos! It never ends! Chaos.